Hey everyone, it is such a beautiful day in the garden today. Couple questions I get are, why do I cover some of my beds but not all of my beds with insect netting, and how do I do it? So I'm going to give you a little tour of how I do it and why right now. You can see this bed here. This bed has bok choy in it. This is a leafy green that does tend to get a lot of insects and pests. So in order to prevent that, the best thing you can do is put insect netting over it. And all you want to do is make sure you get the right size for your bed. Put up some hoops. So this is just PVC pipe that we put up with some hooks on the bottom. And this is a great way to keep pests out of your leafy greens. So which beds do I cover? Mostly those with leafy greens and brassicas. Things like kale and broccoli and what else? Even chard, bok choy, things like that. Now what I like to do is I like to get a little elastic band and I put those around the beds, and then I will get some basic hooks and I will go ahead and clasp those and fasten them to make sure that the netting stays down. So again, I get two elastic bands, one on the bottom, one on top, and that's just going to secure it to really keep the bugs from getting in. So that's pretty much everything. Again, it just depends on the bed. If it is a bed that has any flowers that need to be pollinated, I cannot put an insect netting on those, right? But when I do beds of just greens and brassicas, again, think of anything from your salad greens. You could do spinach as well. My bok choy, broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, all of those things tend to get a lot of caterpillars. And this is the way to save them from all of that damage.